What's up, my name's TechNoba here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll be talking about Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 not saving your progress when you're playing the campaign. As annoying as it is to replay levels, this game is definitely one of them that may suffer with this issue, and it is relatively widespread. If you've already lost progress, there's no way of getting it back. However, we can change it so that we do save progress in the future. More likely than not, it's an antivirus or Windows overstepping its reach and controlling folder access for the game. This is really simple to go around, and I'll be showing you the Windows steps here. Simply start by opening up your settings window and follow along with these steps as closely as possible. On Windows 10, some of these options and buttons may be in different places. Essentially, we're heading across to Privacy or Privacy and Security, then Windows Security, and opening Windows Security here. This will open up Microsoft Security, a separate window. Then head across to Virus and Threat Protection on the left-hand side, look for Ransomware Protection, and click Manage Ransomware Protection here. You can simply turn this off, otherwise if it's turned on, look for Allow an app through controlled folder access right below it. At the very top, you'll see Add an allowed app, click it, and then choose Browse all apps. When an open file dialog shows up, head across to Steam, right-click the game, manage, and then click Browse local files, or simply navigate across to where the game files are on your PC. Inside of that open dialog, we'll head across to here, where you should only see COD.exe, COD Crash Handler, and Bootstrapper Crash Handler. All we'll do is double-click COD.exe to add it to the list, then click Add an allowed app once more, browse, and choose the other exes in that folder. Then you can close out of this and close out of your Windows Security completely. By doing that, things should be working again, and the game should be able to access your Steam cloud saves and save things onto the cloud. For some reason, this is an issue that has been happening with Call of Duty games for quite some time, so you may need to just work around it. That's about it for this quick video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.